Hello dear students, today I am with a problem from Cruto, current and electricity, and I will strictly suggest for J Advanced aspirants to follow this book because problems are little bit tricky, right? They will push you to think in different directions, how ideas comes, okay? So it's problem number 3.36. The key K, figure 94, is connected in turn to each of the contacts over short identical time intervals, so that the change in the charge on the capacitor over each connection is small. Okay, टाइम इंटरवल स्मॉल है और ये भी बोल रहा है कि चार्ज भी एक कनेक्शन में उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज हो. व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल चार्ज QF ऑन द कैपेसिटर. ओके, तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू मेक दिस सर्किट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, एंड थिंक फॉर अ वाइल, about a minute, how to solve the problem, right? And I hope you will be puzzled what's going on in there. Okay, then I should remove this and solve the problem. Let me again draw the diagram. 3.36, there are two batteries and two resistors and one capacitor. And this is circuit diagram. Battery, resistor, in this line a capacitor and a key, and in this line another battery, another resistor, and these are two positions, say 1 and 2, and here there is a key. Okay, EMF E1, E2, resistances R1, R2, and capacitances C. Okay, question is saying that one by one this switch moves from 1 to 2. Like first it is connected to 1, then this upper circuit is formed and this is some RC circuit. Then for a short time, then it is moved to 2. Capacitor is a little bit charged and it is connected to 2. Here there is a battery E2, resistance R2. It will be charged a little more because the polarities are same. This battery is positive terminal, here there will be positive charge, and when this is connected to this is also a positive terminal, so little bit more charge. Okay, he is asking us what is the saturation charge. Okay, then we are confused, charge will not saturate, but he wrote a statement and the statement is connections are for short time, delta T, and this is short, such that change in charges are also short. Okay, we have to tell the final charge on the capacitor. What could be the way to explain, to solve the question? After a long time, after many connections, the charge on the capacitor will be increasing. Listen carefully. Because the polarities of battery connected to the capacitor in every connection is same. The upper battery is giving positive charge to the right plate of the capacitor, and when I change this switch from position 1 to 2, the positive terminal of another battery is connected to this positively charged plate. Okay. Obviously, if charge is such that the potential drop across the capacitor is larger than lesser than E2, then this battery will flow some charge to this. Then I connect to 1, and if I say the potential drop across the capacitor is still less than E1, then this battery will also flow some charge. After a long time, what will happen? Just make some situations. Let's say E1 is less than E2. It could be anything, E1 equal to E2. If E1 equal to E2, no problem. Okay. But I say E1 is less than E2. For example, give them some values. I give it 10 and E2 I give it 15. For example, EMF of upper battery is 10 volt and the lower is 15 volt. Then in every connection till the voltage across the capacitor is less than 10, the upper battery will charge the capacitor because its potential drop is lesser than the potential of battery. Okay. Then I change the switch from position 1 to 2. And still I say the voltage across the capacitor is less than E2 also. Then lower battery will flow some charge and charge on the capacitor will increase. Okay. Then there will be situation when the potential drop across the capacitor becomes 10. If potential drop across the capacitor become 10, what will happen? When I will connect this capacitor to point 1, means I connect this capacitor to upper circuit and the potential drop of the battery has already been 10 volt. Okay. Then upper battery will not flow any charge to the battery. Okay. Then I switch the position to 2 and the potential of lower battery is 15. We have assumed 15. Then lower battery will flow a little charge to the capacitor and charge on the capacitor is now increased and the potential drop across the capacitor exceed by some amount, and then we can say that potential drop across the capacitor is now 10 plus some small value h, and this capacitor is connected to battery, upper battery now, switch 1. Then what will happen? This capacitor will lose some charge to battery to make its potential same, but not sufficient time is given here. Okay. It will lose a little bit charge to the battery because potential difference are not very large. Okay. Then again at 2, battery is higher potential. Okay. It will send some charge, a charge is little bit increased, but difference, this second battery and capacitor difference voltage is higher and this difference is lower. Then it will lose a small charge, RC circuit. It will slowly lose the charge. It will slowly lose the charge. But here, due to large potential difference, it will gain larger amount of charge than it loses here. Now slowly after many connections, I say it's gradually increasing and increasing to value 13, for example. So that I am saying Croto is a very good book. Okay, you have to create a deep thinking. If you think about these questions, and it will definitely help you cracking J Advanced and good ranks, top ranks. Okay. Questions are like anybody can solve this book, can have for any exam. Interesting questions are there, not very lengthy, but logical questions are there. So I strictly suggest you to solve this book, especially when you are preparing for JEE Main Advanced and when you are interested in physics. Okay, you need some witty problems, tricky problems, right? Puzzling problems, brain teasers that will make your brain engaged in thinking. Okay. Now the potential has reached to a value 13. For example, okay, I connected at 1. It has a larger potential than this. It will lose a little amount of charge. Little, very little. And when I connect this key to 2, it will gain a little charge, because now the difference is going to be similar. There is a 2-point difference from this battery, potential difference of capacitor and battery, and here there is a 2.3 or 2-point difference. Not exactly these numbers are important, but the situation is important. A situation will certainly arise when this capacitor receives a small amount of charge from higher potential battery, and when I switch this position to lower potential battery, it will release that amount of charge. Whatever it has gained from high potential battery, it loses to low potential battery, and now we are in a situation to say that after that the charge on the capacitor is not going to change. When I will connect this capacitor to E2, it will receive some charge from E2, and when I change the position of key from 2 to 1, it will give that amount of charge to battery 1. And now I can say a steady state is reached. But if you think in a channelized way, like you have solved many questions of saturation, when I connect this key to 1, there will be a different saturation charge, and when I connect this key to 2, there will be different saturation charge. Then you are unable to solve the question, right? Charge cannot be fixed, but he already has said that a small amount of charge are transferring. Then there will be such a situation when it will receive a small amount of charge from E2, and it will give that amount of charge to E1, and now you are in a situation whatever it takes, it gives. Okay, and now overall the charge on the capacitor is not going to change due to changing position of key. Okay, I hope problem का beauty समझ में आ गया होगा. Okay, that much beautiful problem, and almost there are very good problems, right? They will make you a thinker. They will create an interest in physics, and your concepts will be strengthened. Okay, witty problems are there. Okay, now the problem is plotted, situations overcome, and just we have to calculate that charge. Whatever that charge is there, we have to calculate it. Okay, then there will be final situation, and at final situation I say the charge on the capacitor, this side the charge will be on right side, charge will be positive, because these are positive terminals of battery, right? These terminals. And on the left plate of the capacitor, the charge is negative, minus Q final. Capacitance is C. Then potential drop across the capacitor is now what? Q final by C. Potential drop across the capacitor is equal to, capacitor की बात कर लेते हैं, C for capacitor, and that is Q final divided by C. Got it? Okay. Saturation has achieved and charge final is not going to be changed. Okay, then I can say when I connect this to 1, suppose at saturation, it will lose a little amount of charge to this battery, almost insignificant. It is mentioned in the question, in very small interval of time the charge will be very small. Okay, then I say कि whatever charge it is losing to this battery, it will gain from here if this is connected to 2. That amount of charge it will take from here. So now I say the final charge is Q final, potential drop across the capacitor is Q final by C. EMF of the battery upper circuit when connected to 1 is E1, and this is at higher potential. Then I can say potential drop across the resistor is Q final divided by C and minus E1. At that time the potential drop across the resistor R1 will be Q final divided by C minus E1, and if this is the potential drop, then there will be small current divided by R1 in the resistor. And if it takes time delta t for the connection is for a short time of delta t, then I multiply with this delta t. This much charge will be given to the upper circuit by the capacitor when the key is connected to terminal 1. Okay, now if it gives to the upper circuit, definitely it will receive from lower circuit. Okay, now the key is switched to position 2. Okay, potential drop across the capacitor is Q by C, and if it receives charge from E2, definitely E2 is larger than the potential drop of the capacitor. The potential drop of the capacitor at that time is Q final by C. This much potential difference will be there across the resistor R2, and if we divide with resistance R2, this much current will flow for that short interval of time in lower circuit, and time given is same, delta t. This much charge will be given to the capacitor from the lower circuit, and this much charge will be given by capacitor to the upper circuit when it is connected to 1. And if saturation has already come, then the charge received by the lower circuit is equal to charge given to the upper circuit, and then these quantities will be same. If I equate these two equations, then delta t is going to be cancelled. Q final divided by C minus E1 divided by R1, delta t is cancelled, and E2 minus Q final divided by C and divided by R2, delta t is cancelled. We have to solve this equation. Let's solve it. Okay, cross multiply by R1, then Q final divided by C R2. This R2 is multiplied here, minus E1 into R2, and this R1 to right side, E2 R1 minus Q final divided by C into R1. Okay, collect the terms of Q final, then this term will be going to left, and then I make it common, and the remaining part will be QF common, then R2 by C, and here R1 by C. So Q by C is common, and in bracket it will be R1 plus R2, and move this term to right side. Then right side term will be E2 R1 plus E1 R2. Then Q final is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 multiplied by C and divided by R1 plus R2. Let me check the answer. What is the answer given? Answer is C times E1 R1 E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2, and the answer is correct, right? I hope it's a very beautiful problem, okay? And many beautiful problems are there in Cruto, right? Cruto, Virodo, full of beautiful problems. Those who have deep interest in physics, okay? मिलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन के साथ. ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस मैं लेके आता रहूँगा, ठीक है? कीप वॉचिंग, ठीक? आई विल बी देयर रेगुलरली, ओके? फॉर ऑल एग्जाम्स, नॉट ओनली फॉर JEE एडवांस, आई विल बी देयर फॉर नीट ऑल्सो, ठीक है? बोर्ड ऑल्सो. आई विल बी रेगुलर, बट इट्स सर्टेन, okay? See you in next lecture.